Gordita. Ingredients. For the dough: 2 cups masa harina, nixtamalized maize flour. Half teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons margarine, melted, or lard. 1 cup hot water, or more. For the salsa: 2 tomatoes, peeled, seeded and crushed. 1 onion, chopped. 2 red bell peppers, finely chopped. 4 tablespoons chopped cilantro. 3 tablespoons olive oil. Juice of half a lime. For the garnish: 2/3 of a pound ground beef. 1 clove garlic, chopped. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon thyme. 1 onion, chopped. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 green bell pepper, cut into strips. Presentation: a few leaves lettuce, chopped. A few leaves cilantro. A few slices chorizo. Equipment: tortilla press. U.S. customary, metric. Instructions: dough. Mix the maize flour and salt. Add the margarine or lard. Add the water gradually while mixing and kneading until a soft and homogeneous dough is formed. Divide the dough into 12 or 14 balls and cover them. Let stand 15 minutes. Using a tortilla press, rolling pin or by hand, press each ball between 2 sheets of parchment paper, or plastic wrap, to form a circle about 5 inch, 12 centimeters, diameter and 1/4 inch, 5 millimeters, thick. To bake the gorditas, put each of them on a preheated hot griddle or a pan, coated with oil. Bake each side for 2 to 3 minutes, until lightly browned and fully baked inside. Once all the gorditas are baked, take each of them and cut them on one side with a knife soaked in water each time. Only half of the tortilla should be cut to fit inside, like a pita sandwich. Preheat the oven to 250 F, 120 C. Line a baking dish with parchment paper. Place the gorditas on the dish and cover them. Place the dish in the oven, halfway up, to keep them warm. Sauce. In a bowl, mix all ingredients thoroughly and set aside in the refrigerator. Garnish. In a skillet, heat the olive oil on low heat, and sauté the onion and green pepper for 10 minutes. Add the ground beef, sprinkle with thyme, garlic and cook for another 10 minutes over medium-low heat, stirring regularly. Season with salt and black pepper. Set aside. To serve, heat the sauce slightly. Stuff each tortilla with the garnish, sauce, salad, cilantro and chorizo.